The ICRA 2025 conference, one of the world's most influential events in robotics and automation, took place in Atlanta. The event brought together hundreds of innovations, from research laboratories to startups, many of which are blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. This year, the focus was not only on humanoid robots, but also on robot boxers, baristas, and transforming drones. In this video, we will take a look at the most interesting robots presented at the conference, each of which pushes the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Westwood Robotics introduced Themis V2, a humanoid robot standing 5 feet 3 inches tall with 40 degrees of freedom. Its arms feature 6 degrees of freedom, while the hands have 7 degrees of freedom, allowing intricate and natural manipulation. Equipped with back-drivable elastic actuator robot actuators, Themis V2 ensures smooth back-drivable movements that enable safe interaction in human environments. The robot can run at speeds up to 10 kilometers per hour and navigate obstacles with integrated three-dimensional motion CV7 attitude and heading reference system sensors, enhancing balance and spatial awareness. With 200 tera operations per second of computing power, Themis V2 is designed for logistics, customer service, and research tasks requiring agility and intelligence. This model showcases impressive progress in humanoid mobility and manipulation. Notably, its open architecture allows researchers to implement customized algorithms, accelerating advancements in humanoid robotics. Its robust frame and real-time sensor fusion enable effective operation, even in complex dynamic environments. Booster Robotics showcased an exciting robot boxing match, featuring their open-source humanoid platforms designed for developers and researchers. These robots are built with modular architectures and comprehensive application programming interfaces, enabling extensive customization and programming. The boxing event demonstrated their agility and dynamic response capabilities, emphasizing their potential beyond research into entertainment, gaming, and interactive applications. Booster Robotics encourages innovation within the robotics community by offering accessible platforms that blend competitive robotics with collaborative development. The event was a vivid example of how robotics can merge sport, research, and education in a compelling and engaging way. The matches also highlighted the durability and precision of their hardware under fast-paced, high-impact conditions. Booster's community-driven approach fosters rapid evolution of robotic capabilities through shared knowledge and open development. Sharpa Wave presents a breakthrough in dexterous robotic arms, boasting 22 degrees of freedom that closely mimic human arm movements. This advanced design enables highly precise and adaptive manipulation, suitable for tasks ranging from delicate assembly to medical applications. The modular architecture allows seamless integration into diverse robotic platforms, enhancing versatility. Coupled with refined control algorithms, Sharpa Wave achieves smooth and responsive operation even in dynamic environments. Demonstrations showcased its ability to handle complex objects with accuracy and speed. This innovation represents a significant leap forward in creating robotic limbs capable of human-level dexterity and responsiveness. Furthermore, its lightweight construction reduces power consumption, making it suitable for prolonged use in battery-operated systems. Standing tall at 178 centimeters and weighing 85 kilograms, the Kepler K2 embodies a robust design focused on strength and precision. Featuring an impressive 52 degrees of freedom, this humanoid robot excels at complex tasks requiring dexterity and endurance. Each hand can exert a lifting force of up to 15 kilograms, supported by 96 tactile sensors on the fingertips, delivering detailed sensory feedback. Powered by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, K2 operates for up to 8 hours continuously, making it reliable for long-term deployments. Its artificial intelligence system leverages cloud computing to enhance autonomous learning and decision-making, especially useful in unpredictable industrial settings. The robot's design emphasizes efficiency in hazardous environments, where human presence is limited. Kepler K2's advanced actuators and sensor suite showcase a perfect balance between power and finesse, making it a standout in modern humanoid robotics. Its structural durability allows it to withstand rigorous operational conditions, which is critical for deployment in industrial zones. Additionally, the robot's multimodal communication capabilities enhance interaction with human coworkers. Engineered Arts introduced new model of a mecha. Robot is designed as a humanoid platform emphasizing natural human-robot interaction. Its 21 degrees of freedom allow fluid, lifelike motions, with joint response times as fast as 0.5 milliseconds, resulting in remarkably realistic gestures and expressions. The robot's face incorporates 27 degrees of freedom dedicated to animating eyes, lips, and other features, creating an expressive range capable of nuanced emotional communication. A mecha's modular architecture supports easy upgrades and customization, catering to diverse research and commercial needs. Whether used as a reception robot or for advanced social robotic studies, a mecha's smooth movement and human-like expressions set a new standard. Its ability to mimic subtle facial movements promotes empathy and engagement, providing a unique platform for exploring human-robot dynamics. Additionally, a mecha integrates voice recognition and speech synthesis systems, enabling interactive conversations. Its robust platform supports continuous software enhancements, making it adaptable for future artificial intelligence advancements. Tron 1 introduces a unique approach to bipedal locomotion, seamlessly switching between toe walking, soul walking, and wheeled movement modes. Compact at just 845 millimeters tall and under 20 kilograms, it's equipped with an NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX processor and a high-fidelity microphone array for voice recognition. The robot supports voice wake-up and speech commands, making it highly interactive and adaptive. Its modular feet design enables it to tackle diverse terrains by adjusting its mode of movement. Tron 1's open software development kit and hardware interfaces invite developers to innovate across robotics and artificial intelligence fields, making it an educational and research-friendly platform. This versatility in movement, combined with its embedded artificial intelligence, makes Tron 1 a leading example of adaptive robotic mobility suited for complex real-world scenarios. Its ability to quickly transition between locomotion modes improves efficiency in cluttered or changing environments. Furthermore, its compact footprint allows easy integration in various research and industrial settings. Artley's barista robot brings robotics to the craft of coffee making with stunning precision. Trained using motion capture data from award-winning baristas, it replicates brewing techniques with high fidelity. The robot's hand has up to 20 degrees of freedom, force feedback, and tactile sensors that allow it to handle various tools and ingredients delicately. Powered by Artley's Vision Language Action artificial intelligence, the barista adapts to new recipes and tasks through software updates. Its compact footprint fits within a 48-inch by 48-inch space, ideal for cafes and event venues. By blending artificial intelligence, robotics, and traditional craftsmanship, Artley redefines automation in the hospitality sector, providing both consistency and an interactive customer experience. The system can also personalize drinks based on customer preferences, integrating seamlessly with point-of-sale technologies. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it an attractive addition to modern coffee shops. Unitree's G1 is a lightweight, agile humanoid robot standing about 1.2 meters tall and weighing approximately 35 kilograms. It has 23 degrees of freedom, allowing smooth, human-like movements, and is capable of reaching speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour. The robot's vision system includes a Livox mid-360 light detection and ranging, and an Intel RealSense D435 depth camera, enabling spatial awareness and obstacle avoidance. A standout moment was Unitree's demonstration of robot boxing, where multiple G1 units engaged in sparring matches, showcasing rapid reflexes and precise strikes. Their hands, featuring advanced force position control, allow for delicate yet powerful manipulation. Powered by a 9,000 mAh battery, G1 operates for roughly 2 hours. The combination of compact size, dynamic motion, and combat demonstration highlights Unitree G1's versatility for research, entertainment, and practical applications. This boxing showcase underlined the robot's impressive reflex speed and precise motor control. Additionally, Unitree provides a comprehensive development environment for customizing behaviors and enhancing autonomous capabilities. Rainbow Robotics presented RBY-1, a dual-arm collaborative robot built for high-precision industrial applications. Each arm features 7 degrees of freedom and utilizes proprietary torque sensors for safe and adaptive interaction. With its humanoid-like structure, RBY-1 is capable of performing synchronized bimanual tasks, such as precise assembly and component testing. The robot's advanced control system enables it to detect and respond to external forces in real time, enhancing safety when working alongside human operators. Its compact form factor and mobile base allow flexible deployment across factory environments. RBY-1 is compatible with Robot Operating System 2 and supports custom programming through an intuitive interface. Demonstrations at International Conference on Robotics and Automation 2025 highlighted its accuracy, consistency, and delicate handling of sensitive materials. Designed for collaborative workflows, RBY-1 bridges the gap between industrial efficiency and safe, intuitive human-robot cooperation. It underscores Rainbow Robotics' commitment to blending technical performance with ease of integration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment with your thoughts on these innovations on exhibition, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you soon.